nangunguna ang FCA at sinusundan ito ni Team Cebu Racing. Team Cebu Racing. Team Cebu Racing at FCA ang nagbabakbakan po. Pangalawang boya is TCR. Sumunod ay si FCA. Ang pangatlo dito ay si Alisto. So, Team Cebu Racing, sinusundan ni FCA. Nakikita nyo sa screen ay ang Team Cebu Racing. So Team Cebu Racing, nakikita nyo nangunguna. This is battle between Team Cebu Racing, Team Alisto at Team FCA ng Capiz. So una ang Team Cebu Racing. Followed by Team FCA. Team Cebu Racing ang nakikita nyo. This is battle to advance in the semi-finals. So Team Cebu Racing sinusundan ni FCA, and then ang bumubuntot naman kay FCA ang Alisto. Team Alisto. Ito ay last game ng ating quarterfinals. Dalawa po ang kukunin dito, and then ang first and second will advance to the semifinals. 4, Magic 4.
Una pa rin po ang TCR.
Last and final boy before the finish line, it is Team Cebu Racing on the lead. Yeah, it is a very convincing win by Team Cebu Racing to advance in the semi-finals. Team Cebu Racing will advance to the semi-finals along with FCA.
Congratulations. Maraming salamat, Team Alisto. Pag-fix na lang ka makita. Okay, ang mga nakapasok po. Ito pong mga sumusunod. Jet Racing, Australia 51,